In this video, I'm going to be playing more Scratch games. Welcome to Dabmc. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started. So what is this? AIA Tower Defense. Okay, what's high scores? Meadow Bridge 539, Lagoon 525, blah 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 blah. Click to close. Click to close. Okay, there you go. Let's play. Meadow Bridge, no. Lagoon, let's just play Meadow Bridge, whatever. Move your mouse over here to open menu. Ooh, okay, let's see, cost 200, I can. Arrow tower, gun tower, bomber tower, laser fire tower. We can buy one, let's place it. Here, I think we'll place it there, there we go. And one. So you're supposed to point in the direction, I see. No, 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 no. Oh well. Hurry up, give me some more, please. Am I lagging? Okay, not lagging. Okay, I'm lagging. Let me buy, wait, no. Let me buy one or more of these turrets. So let's see. That costs 500. Accuracy 50, 25, 5. Let's buy one more and let's place it over here. There we go. 60, okay, let's buy one. Let's upgrade this and there we go. Now let's play. Shoot these guys. Let's kill them. Let's get them. Yes, we got the wave. We got all of them. 100, okay, let's see. This one. Wait, I can't afford it. Rip. Let's get this guy. Let's get the leader of the tribe. Ah! What? Oh wait, we almost got the... There we go. Let's see here. Cost 200. Plus 4, okay. I'm just going to do that. Okay, let's start. Why are these blue? And why am I lagging? Destroy the leader of the tribe. Now let's destroy you. There we go. We got it. Can I afford it? Almost. Just a little bit more money. I need 400 now. Great. Let's get this guy. Let's get this guy. Let's get this guy. I should have gone by now. No. There we go. Got him. Wave 7. Okay. Attack! 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 No, you ain't going nowhere, man. Nowhere. Nowhere. No. Nowhere. No. One left. One left. One. Oh my, one. Max upgrade. There we go. That's right. You ain't guys going nowhere. Ha 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 ha. Kill you. There we go. That's more like it. Wait, look how much damage I'm doing. I can two-shot these guys. I don't need a four-shot anymore. There we go. Wave 10. That's right, noobs. Ha, ha, ha. Oh my god, there are actually a lot of these guys. Attack! Attack! Attack the two noobs! There we go. Wave completed. Wait, I can buy another one. This one, the gunner tower. I want to put this right there. There we go. What about this dude? Why isn't it shooting? Is it shooting anything? I don't even think this works. Does this even work? Wait, what? This doesn't even work. It's broken. Oh wow, now we have green. Green, my game's lagging. Get out of here, green! Green, no bean! Finally! Yeah, well, let's just kill these guys. This is actually pretty bad. Anyway, moving on to our next game. This game is boring. But that is actually a lot of code. OMG. Let's just pretend that nothing ever happened here. Let's just leave whatever. Let's just pretend nothing ever happened. Let's play something else. Let's play. What should we play? Platformers. If you guys don't know what platformers are, they're basically, yeah. You know, you jump over things. It's basically parkour. So if I could, my 2K. Squareman, an epic adventure. Lol. Okay, let's play. Welcome to Squareman. Okay. Don't touch the red. Okay, that's easy. Huh? You can jump wall. You can wall jump. Okay. What's so exciting about wall jumping? I don't see. What's this? Oh. How are you going to do this? I'm going to go like. Oh wow, that is so smart. You literally jump over the words. I was not expecting that sort of madness. What? How are you going to do this? You just like that. Dun dun dun. Ha 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 ha. Why is this so hard? Yo man, you ain't tough. You ain't a tough guy, man. Oh come on, I was so close. Yeah. The end. Or is it part 2 coming soon? Let's try again. That was actually fun. That was actually fun. Welcome to Squareman. Why is it even called Squareman? Don't touch the red. Before at first I thought this was hard, but at the end it's pretty easy. You can wall jump. Yes, I know. Huh? Okay. How are you going to do this? Just like this, you noob. That was actually pretty fun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, come on. Ho 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 ho. How do you beat this guy? It's tough. Ooh, yes. Ah! It's like you have to time it. Huh? Yeah, that's right. The end. Or is it part 2 coming soon? Dun dun dun. Let's play a different game. One more game. Studio. Blah 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 studio. So if it actually is. How do I move? It lags so much. What? Problem it lags, nice, blah 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 blah. Also to leave, I don't care, it's so easy. Let's try, let's explore. The Deadlands, okay, so, animations, let's try games. Starry Night, Scratch Dash, Airplane, ooh, let's play Airplane. Kabloom, kaboom. Airplane, H.io, okay. Airplane 5, hashtag games on Scratch, okay. It's actually taking a long time. Oh, finally, right. Airplane, boom, bam, kaboom. Okay. I'm gonna die, no! How do you upgrade your plane? Click this. Pause. Bullet speed. Health regen. There you go. No! Oh my god, seriously? That was actually fun. Get on your noob. Yeet. Get out of here. Boom. Get owned. Get owned. Wave complete, that's right. Pause, okay. One. There we go. I'm lagging. That was easy. Get on. Wow, you have to two-shot these guys? Why? Oh no, I need regen. Get out of here! Oh my god. I need regen. No! Oh my god, I was so good at the game. Game. Get out of here. Nah. Psych. Huh. Let's see. Reload, definitely 2. Okay, reload. Okay, 2 again. 2 on the bullet speed. There we go. Oh my god. Give this to me. There we go. Haha. Wave complete, and you can't hit me. Get out of here. Get out. Okay, 2. There we go. Boom, get out. Boom, get out. That's right. Boom, get out. Boom, get out. Get out. There you go. Oh my god, they actually go super fast now. Yo, get on, you noob. Wave complete, OMG. Yeet. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna die, no. I ain't dying today. Not today. Not today. Ooh, minigun pistol. I have that one. Minigun or cannon. I want to shoot a minigun. Wow, this actually shoots super fast. Yeah, wave complete. Wave complete. Dun dun. I'm actually good at this game. Get out of here. Why can't I shoot them? Ah, there we go. That's much better. Wave complete. Oh, wait. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye, guys.